Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to see open snaps again on Snapchat. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. To view open snaps again on Snapchat, you can simply go ahead and see open snap that we sent to your any Snapchat again by simply heading into your Snapchat account just right here. You can see I was sent this snap and I opened it, but if you want to go ahead and still view this snap again, you will definitely have to hit into your profile by simply tapping on your profile icon on your upper right, I means it your upper left corner just right here, and simply head into your settings. Just right here you have to definitely go ahead and scroll down and tap on the second last option that's called my data, which is just right here as you can see, and inside this button you will have to enter your username and email. You go ahead and put in your password, and there you will see your data, the whole data ever since you use Snapchat. You will have to see messages that are sent and the messages that are deleted. You will as well go ahead and see these snaps. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.